50 simple sentences on shopping. At the shop. 1. I want to buy a shirt. 2. How much is this? 3. Please show me that bag. 4. Do you have this in a bigger size? 5. Can I try this on? 6. This dress is too small. 7. The shoes are very comfortable. 8. Do you have this in red? 9. I like this one. 10. Please pack this for me. Asking price and payment. 11. What is the price of this? 12. It is too expensive. 13. Can you give me a discount? 14. This is very cheap. 15. Please give me the bill. 16. Do you accept card payment? 17. I will pay by cash. 18. Do you take online payment? 19. Please return the change. 20. Can I get a shopping bag? Grocery and market. 21. I need 1 kilo of rice. 22. Please give me fresh vegetables. 23. How much is 1 dozen eggs? 24. I want 2 liters of milk. 25. Please pack half a kilo of apples. 26. Do you have fresh bread? 27. I need a bottle of oil. 28. Please give me some onions. 29. The fruits are very sweet. 30. I am buying sugar and salt. Online shopping. 31. I am ordering clothes online. 32. The delivery is very fast. 33. I got a big discount. 34. The product is not good. 35. I want to return this item. 36. The size does not fit. 37. I am tracking my order. 38. The parcel has arrived. 39. I got free shipping. 40. The payment was successful. General shopping sentences. 41. I like window shopping. 42. Let's go to the mall. 43. The shop is closed. 44. This store is very big. 45. The market is very crowded. 46. She is buying a new phone. 47. He is paying the bill. 48. They are looking at clothes. 49. Shopping makes me happy. 50. I love buying new things.